Good morning. So I am about to get ready. Well, it's actually afternoon. We're going to a day party. Okay, so I'm finally dressed, very simple. I'm gonna show you guys my full outfit when we leave the hotel. We're supposed to be there at the club by 3, so day party. So yeah, this dress is cute. I don't know if I want to bring a purse or not. Maybe I'll probably bring a purse. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. So I recorded a TikTok video. If you guys are not following me on TikTok, I'm popping over there. Like, go follow me. I'm always posting on there. So yeah, I'm gonna probably post the video here so you guys can see what I just did. But we're about to head out. We're running late. I don't know how far the I don't know how far the venue is, but whatever. But I'm not paying to get in. I know that for a fact. So yeah, you ready?
Wait, no, yes.
I just need to put on my crown because it's my birthday every day. Let me get a jacket too. Alright guys. Alright, I'm gonna see you there. I'm gonna be on live. Well, yeah, I'm gonna be on live a lot. So I think it's cute. My outfit's cute. Casual cute. Alright guys, let's go. So we're waiting for our Uber. We're going to a day party. Yeah, we're not gonna be there alone because we have to take a nap because we're gonna be drinking. I'm gonna be drinking all day. This is what, day 2? This is day 2. Alright, I'm gonna be on live like all day.
Next week, cold details.
Again.
No sodas, no sodas.
Yes. Let me see if you hear. Hold on.
I'll be 17.
Okay guys, so we left the club, the day party. It was cool, it was lit. The drinks was not good here, I'm sorry. I don't know if she was just being rude to me or whatever, but it happened. Is that my Uber? Hold on, I'm trying to order Uber, going back to the room, change shoes. See, hold on guys, let me check my Uber real quick, hold on. Recording. That looks skinny.
Yep.
Okay. I'm gonna get pictures from that video.
Every time I fuck, she call me daddy. My little mama nasty.
guys, watch me turn this look into a night look. Oh, if you guys haven't seen the look today, this whole vlog, links in the bio. So it's time to turn it up now.
Doors and windows with protection and peace of mind.
My birthday is literally at midnight.
Get your Ring alarm today.
Yeah.
Shop holiday deals now at ring.com.
In the morning? It's at midnight.
Don't let the Cash App Ring stop you.